meantime talk about another protest, and that is happening at Jantar Mantar. The Cockroach Janata Party, which has now been holding its protest at Jantar Mantar for the last several weeks now, have now been demanding the resignation of the Education Minister over the alleged irregularities in this year's examinations and paper leaks. And right at the heart of it is Sonam Wangchuk. Now, today marks day 19 of his indefinite hunger strike, and in a fresh show of support, the CJP has now called for a one-day mass hunger strike, standing in solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk as his health continues to deteriorate. Now, let's connect with Nyamika on this because, Nyamika, the support from various sectors, industries, activists, and also when we speak of celebrities, is now mounting for Sonam Wangchuk. His health is deteriorating. There is the plea that has also been filed in the Delhi High Court. What are we now looking at as far as this announcement that has now come in of a day-long hunger strike? It's standing in solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk.
Well, yes, indeed. Now, the CJP has made this announcement that there is going to be a nationwide one-day hunger strike today in support of Mr. Sonam Wangchuk, as we have seen that how his health is deteriorating day by day because of the hunger strike which he is doing, as it has entered in the 19th day today, as there is a continuous demand which is being raised by the CJP as well as Sonam Wangchuk for the resignation of Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, and also the accountability which needs to be fixed regarding the irregularities which had taken place during the NEET exam and the paper leaks which have been done in the past few years. All of these questions are continuously being raised by the CJP, as for that reason now this move has come just ahead of their call which they had taken for Chalo Sansad, the kind of protest which they are planning on the very first day of the parliament session, monsoon session of parliament. And now today, the way in which there is no such response which they have got from the government side, and that is the only reason why CJP has also made this announcement that there is going to be one-day hunger strike which is going to be done today in all across the country.
Celebrities are also now rallying behind Sonam Wangchuk as far as his 18 days that have been already completed, today being the 19th day of his indefinite hunger strike. Thank you, Nyamika, for that update. In the meantime, let's get you this ground report. As I said, a PIL has also been filed in the Delhi High Court asking the central and the state government to urgently shift Sonam Wangchuk to a hospital and force feed him on humanitarian ground.
Currently reporting from Jantar Mantar, where a number of supporters have in fact turned out this evening. On your screens also you can see leaders from the opposition party as well address the gathering here, and all around us in fact are banners and posters set up by student organizations. There are 3 students as well who are currently on a hunger strike as well. Posters all around us in fact detail the demands which begin with the resignation of the Education Minister. This has been happening in fact for 26 days now, out of which this is the 18th day for Mr. Wangchuk's hunger strike. Now, reportedly, he's lost over to 8.5 kgs, and yesterday, over 1,800 artists and actors as well as citizens had written to him asking him to end his hunger strike on account of his deteriorating health. He was also told that this only shows that the government, the artists wrote, does not have a conscience. The big move currently being planned by the Cockroach Janata Party is a call to the march towards Parliament on June 20th, the first day of the monsoon session. There is a PIL in the Delhi High Court as well, which is asking the central government and Delhi government to shift him to a hospital urgently and force feed him on account of his deteriorating health too.
Well, we'll get you more updates from the ground there. In the meantime, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.